Hi everyone, it's Adriana back for another YouTube Minecraft video, and today is a very, very sad day. Even though I'm having a really, in real life, awesome day because I'm going somewhere very awesome, it's not very good in Minecraft world because a dog of mine just passed away. His name is Blue. He's Blue the dog. I'll show you in a second his rip I made for him. And today's a ceremony. I invited some of my friends. A lot of my friends are unable to make it. None of my friends are all my friends are unable to make it today, but I will be telling them about this very sad day. So I have not closed this yet, but I'm putting in a bunch of Blue's favorite things. Cooked chicken. A lot of cooked meat was one of his favorite things. He really did love whenever I fed him his food. And he always loved when I walked him. We would try and beat the zombies away. Even though he died from it, before he died from all the zombies, we always loved just trying to kill it one-on-one. Which is where it is, if I can find it. Yep, here it is. Which is where all this rotten flesh is coming from. All the zombies we've killed in the past. His bowl of milk never got forgotten. And the last thing I want to dedicate to him, there's one thing though I like to dedicate to him the most, is all of these mob heads to show how much throughout the past we have worked on. Some cobwebs, Steve heads, and any other mob head I have in this inventory. As well as some cake.
Aquí. Aquí.
Now, before I close this up for the final words, I want to have everyone watching please stand up or do something nice right now. For me, I'm gonna fly up, and we're gonna say some doggy prayers, some doggy last words to him. Blue, as your owner, you're one of the most awesome dogs I've ever had in Minecraft history. It's very sad that you have passed away today. Even though you only lived for one day, half of a day, you'll still always be in my memories. Blue, I wanted to build a house with you, but after what happened, I think I'm gonna make a house right next to this tombstone in memory of you. Thank you for being my best buddy, and good luck in your new life. If any of you subscribers have any last words to Blue, you can put in the comments, and I may on camera say some of the last words you guys had to say to Blue. So if you have any last words to Blue, put it in the comments, and I'll do a video of all the last words you have for my little buddy Blue. So let's just put in. I'm just gonna cover it up. Goodbye forever, Blue. Rest in peace, little buddy. I feel like I'm gonna cry right now. now, but I'm trying my best not to. I'm gonna try my best not to try and cry. Yeah. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. My best not to cry right now. But this is so sad. If you watch Stampy or anyone like that, and you've seen their videos of them passing away, their own little future pets, this is exactly how I feel right now. I can't stand myself. So that's gonna be a little graveyard, and now I'm gonna build a house. I will get my revenge on the zombies who killed Blue. But before I do that, I'm gonna at least try and build a house. Like I said in my last words, it's not gonna be that big. It doesn't have to be. But I want it big enough that I can have another set of dogs. But no matter how many dogs I re-get, none of them can ever replace my Blue. None of my future dogs will ever replace Blue. Blue was different from any other dog I've ever had. I'm gonna miss Blue. I'm gonna just miss him so much. Well, I gotta try and get it out of my mind. Maybe building the rest of this house will get Blue off my mind of Blue's death. Probably get out of my mind. So yeah, guys, if you have any last words or any advice for me, then please comment. Like and subscribe. And yeah, that's all I can say right now. This is the saddest day ever. This is the saddest Minecraft day. One of the saddest Minecraft days on Minecraft Pocket Edition I've ever had. I'm gonna make a 2-story house. 2, 3. So this should be one that I'm making. This is where I can plant my stuff. So this is going to be my second floor, I guess. Guys, I'm afraid this is probably going to be the end of my video, guys, because I have to charge this and stuff, and I will probably do another video of finishing up this house. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe. Again, if you have any last words for Blue, any advice for me, probably on the house, or how to just see if I can get this off my mind, please comment and subscribe, like. If you subscribe and like, I think it'll probably make Blue and myself super, super happy. So, yeah. I'll see you guys all except for probably blue, in my next video. So, yeah. Good. Bye-bye.